What's up, Madam Glam fam? Welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the month where we get to unbox a new collection from Madam Glam. They sent me 5 colors from their new La House of Life collection, and I'm going to unbox that for you as well as do a nail set for you. So before we get started, please like this video if you like it, and please subscribe. And let's go ahead and do this. As I just mentioned, they sent me 5 colors from their new collection, and here are the swatches. I got Crystal Ball, Mama Bear, Taurus Season, Guardian Angel, and Healing Glam. And definitely Taurus Season is the MVP for me, at least with the colors that I was sent. By the way, thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me this. I always truly appreciate whenever you guys send me PR, so thank you. As you can see, we have some beautiful, vibrant colors. I absolutely love these colors. I'm kind of happy that we're moving away from the pastels. I feel like I was kind of getting overwhelmed with pastels, so I am so happy for these bright colors. I figured I would use all 5 in a set, and I decided to do kind of like an abstract, like stained glass kind of design. I don't really know how to explain it, but you will see. As always, I did the thumb off camera and I posted that as a Instagram reel, and I think I might post it on my TikTok as well, so go check those out if you're interested, and make sure to follow me on those other platforms. Yeah, so this set is super easy. Basically, what I did was I matched the ring finger with the thumb. That's gonna be a complete, like, I'm just gonna call it stained glass. That's gonna be like a complete stained glass nail. So in order to make those colors pop, I added a white base, which was Madam Glam's Perfect White. I added 1 layer and then I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I started adding all the other colors. I forgot to add the white on the thumb. I need to get used to adding white underneath my colors in order to make them pop, because I always end up regretting not doing that. So I added the white and then I did the stained glass nail. Basically, it's just grabbing a little bit of each color and just making random shapes all around the nail. Like, it's so easy. I feel like I've been doing these kind of nail sets lately where you're just slapping colors on, and that's pretty much my design. So I just put everything on a palette to make it easier to get to the products. I'm just gonna show you how I did the ring finger, and I'm gonna show you how I did one of the other fingers, because those are gonna be different. Once I finish all the colors and I have the nail completely filled, I go in with Madam Glam's gold gel paint, and I outline everything. I make sure to outline all the individual shapes, no matter how small they are, and then I cure that for 60 seconds, and that's basically it. For the thumb, I tried to do a matte top coat to see how I like that at first, and I just decided glossy was better. So after I did the matte top coat, I went in with the normal no white top coat from Madam Glam, and I just left it that way. And so when I did these other nails, just to keep it cohesive, I used the velvet matte top coat for all the nails at first, and then I went over it with the no white top coat. So just putting that out there for you guys. By the way, if I'm looking this way, it's because my iPad is there and I'm just looking at the footage so I can make sure that I'm telling you everything you need to know. Also, for some reason, every time I do a voiceover, I have to eat one of these. I don't know why. I just correlate it, doing a voiceover with eating this, and then it makes me salivate, and then it makes it hard for me to start talking again, because my cheeks are well, you know how it is to eat sour candy. Makes your mouth so watery, so excuse me. For the other 3 nails, the index, middle, and pinky, I am taking Proud Nude. It's from Madam Glam as well, and I am putting 1 coat on each nail and curing that for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a French for each nail, but in different pattern. So I'm just gonna outline my French with the white, and then I'm gonna go in and do the exact same thing, put in all my colors however I want it, and then outline everything with the gold gel paint, and then that's it. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I will have it here on the screen for you, and I will have it in the description box if you are interested in shopping with them and picking this collection up for yourself. So I'm gonna let this play out, and then I will come back once I finish these 3 nails. Yeah, I will talk to you then. Okay, before I top coat my middle finger, I wanted to add just this little rhinestone to it, and I just used the top coat as my adhesive. Nothing too crazy. I just got this little rhinestone from, I want to say, Shein. I'm gonna have everything linked that I used today down below as always, so you can check there, but I got it from Shein. And so I thought I would just add this one little rhinestone to the set and then call it a day. I wanted to keep going, but I had to talk myself out of it because I need to learn how to just keep my sets simple and move on. Yeah, so that is basically it. I hope you guys like this set and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a like and please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as always. And thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I can't wait to see what comes next. I'm gonna go, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.